Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. This is just my professional opinion of 30-something years, over 30-something years. If you have a Hyundai or a Kia that's like 2014 and above, I also do pre-purchase used car inspections. Once you hit past 100,000 miles, you're going to start having major issues with the vehicle. It's not going to fall apart or die on you, but you're going to have a lot of major issues. Just had a customer who has a Kia and they have to replace the airbags. They have to replace the left wheel bearing. They can't even pass inspection. So this is my opinion. Get a Toyota or a Honda and move forward. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and follow. Thank you.